Kanlaon ng taas oh.
Oo.
Okay, dahan na tayo yan.
Go! Go! Trick. Go. Go. Lusad sir. Lusad sa ubo sir. Toyok sir. Oh.
Okay, that's it. Okay. Okay. Oh. Perfect. I love it. Okay, that's it. Nalingi-lingi dari gamay.
To all our local and foreign tourists, I would like to invite all of you sincerely to visit Buwakan ni Alejandra, because your visit in the province of Cebu would not be complete if you cannot be amazed, mesmerized, and see for yourself the creation of my dear friend Eli Hintap. Buwakan ni Alejandra is located in the municipality of Balamban. If you are lovers of nature, art, beauty, culture, artistry, hard work, this is the right place for you. Again, telling you, your visit in the province of Cebu would never be complete pag hindi nyo napuntahan ang Buwakan ni Alejandra. Maraming salamat po. I am so proud of you, Eli. We have gone a long way, and look, where are you now and what are you standing for? Hard work, effort, dedication, passion, and love. It's all overthrown and speak for itself in this loveliest garden in the province of Cebu. I am so proud of you, Eli. Very, very proud. Thank you. Message to all incoming congressmen and women and to the Senate. You will be taking your office on the 30th of this year. Please help us pass the SOGI bills that has been dormant, that has been left, that they have seated on for the longest time. Please, if you truly recognize our existence as the member of community here in our country, pass the SOGI bill, because gays' rights are also human rights. Let's not forget that. Mabuhay ang mga LGBTQI members all over the world, most particularly here in my beloved country, the Philippines. This is a very emotional moment for me. It's been a while nga wala ako kabalik sa flower garden, whom I considered to be the most beautiful flower farm and garden in the province of Cebu. My good friend, owned by my good friend Eli Hintap. And it is also a full circle. Kay right now, ang ako mahinanap na, dili na si Eli, ang iyang anak. Could you please join me here, anak? From the father to the son, who is now in charge of the family business also. Can I have your name, Nak?
By the way, my name is John Clifford Intapa. Yeah.
John Clifford Hintapa. I used to talk to the father before. I have sincerely heard the hard work, effort that the family have invested, and I am so happy the fruit of labor is being seen and touched, palpable, ma-feel na yun nako through the children. John, I am giving you the floor to invite all our Cebuanos and Filipinos worldwide to visit your lovely garden.
Hello everyone, good morning to all the followers of Mami Lacuatsera. I would like to invite you to visit Buwaka ni Alejandra. Must visit, put it in your bucket list because this garden marks a remarkable journey while visiting here in Cebu. So bring your family, most especially your lolas, and then for those who loves flowers, your plantitas, mga plantitos, perfect yun siya i-visit ang Buwaka ni Alejandra because this month, it's our blooming season and all of our flowers are still gorgeous at this stage right
Usually,
now.
unsa man ang pinaka-ideal nga month nga maka-visit sila?
Most probably, every month, kay with the management, we make sure that tanan namang flowers, kay nagid sila sa blooming state. We make sure that mo jud sila i-will take care of.
Yeah. Unlike sa Bumtok Mountain Province, nga ang best month to visit is usually on February, here sa Buwaka ni Alejandra, walay gipili nga season or weather because they have very abundant supply of water resources. They have gardeners that were trained by no less than Eli Hintapa, and of course, personally served and supervised by the children. Iba ang negosyo if it's family owned and cared by the own family. Salamat kaayo ha.
Daghang salamat.
And do not hesitate to come. You may request John to take photos, videos for you. Kanang nag-trending na mga videos that has been spreading, TikTok, FB, YouTube, si John na ang nagkuha ana. And I'm very lucky to have experienced that magic touch on my video today. Watch out. Hey. Oh. 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 Up, 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 Sky. Sayang daliwa din yung nakuha. Up, up, come on, come. Come here. Come here. Ano, nasa ko kuha lang. Come here. Come here. Oh, sige, sige. Up, up, up. Oh, oh. Come here. Up. And how about you? Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh. Exploring the lovely garden here in Sirao. Siyempre, hungry na si Mamita Lakwatsera. Mangita tagkananan, light breakfast lang. Na ako'y nakita nga place, Onyx Grilled and Batchoy. I think I need to try the Batchoy. The last time I have tasted a Batchoy was in Iloilo. Let's try kung usang version ng mga Subuanon in comparison to that of Iloilo. Kana, ibalik si Mamita. Anita, so Onyx Grilled and Batchoy. Okay, kaunta. Okay naman, dito. Dito yan, kano na yan. Tapos na ang Batchoy, ang tag-iya gyud mismo. Can I have your name, ma'am?
Onyx.
Onyx, si Ma'am Onyx gyud. And ang nag-prepare na. I'm so glad mo follow din siya sa ako. Okay. Sige.
Ano lang, sir?
Okay, thank you po. Thank you. O, mauna yung mga for breakfast. O, daghan na kayo mong kapilian. Gikan gani mo sa inyong pag-explore sa mga lovely gardens diri sa Sirao. Both sa Pictorial Garden o ang flower garden ako. Friend si Elena. Diri ta mamaw sa Onyx Grilled and Batchoy. Nindot ba kayo silang view?
Okay.
Ayan, no? Overlooking. Ayan. Mga Kalakwatsera, to give you a trivia, kaning Batchoy, nag-originate din siya sa La Paz. La Paz is one municipality sa Iloilo. Unya, through ages, nag-evolve na siya. Dili na nato maingon nga, dito lang yun na available sa Iloilo. Each city, each province has its own version. Depende sa taste buds ng mga tao. So I am so curious now, kay bag-o lang gid ko gikan sa Iloilo, nakatilaw ko dito sa ilang Batchoy. Ato suwayan ni Onyx Batchoy kung unsa ang nakalahi ani. Wow. Manayon nato nga sabaw pa lang sudan na. Ha? Onyx Batchoy, where is it located? Doon lagi din, tapad lagi din siya sa Sirao Pictorial Garden. You should try this one. Affordable, tasteful, at the same time healthy. Especially sa sayo sa buntag. After you touring around the garden. Ha? Onyx Batchoy, dili lang Batchoy sila. Nakapalig ng klase grilled food. Basta more or less mga home-cooked meal. Pangita ang ako follower na si Onyx. Nakalahi diri sa Onyx Batchoy. Onyx Grilled Batchoy. And you have so many choices actually. Dili lang siya Batchoy. Ang nakalahi, check yourself. Ang view. ang view ng pictorial garden ng Sirao, no? So while sipping a brewed na soup, hot soup, kaning bok choy, you as well enjoy the view. So don't forget to visit Onyx Grill and bok choy. Tapad na yun siya sa Sirao Pictorial Garden sa Barangay Sirao. Good morning. Sa mga diet conscious, bok choy is the answer. Now, nga paghuman sa inyong pag-explore sa mga lovely garden. Yung gamay dito yan ang view balik sa ako. Maingon ako nga sabaw pa lang winner na ka. Onyx Grilled ang bok choy diri sa Barangay Sirao. As what the Visayans say after they dine, lamig ka!